Here are 10 tips to make your mother happy. 1. Express your feelings. Take the time to communicate your emotions and tell your mother how much she means to you. Share your love, respect, and admiration openly and sincerely. 2. Show appreciation. Express your gratitude and let your mother know how much you value her love and support. Thank her for everything she does for you. 3. Spend quality time together. Dedicate time to be with your mother and engage in activities that she enjoys. It could be going for a walk, watching a movie, or simply having a heartfelt conversation. 4. Help with household chores. Take initiative to help around the house. Offer to clean, cook a meal, or take care of any tasks that may be overwhelming for your mother. This gesture will be greatly appreciated. 5. Surprise her. Plan unexpected surprises for your mother to show her that you're thinking of her. It could be bringing her favorite flowers, cooking her favorite meal, or organizing a special outing. 6. Listen actively. When your mother talks to you, give her your undivided attention and actively listen. Show empathy, ask follow-up questions, and let her know that you value her thoughts and feelings. 7. Support her interests. Encourage your mother to pursue her hobbies and interests. Help her find time for activities she enjoys and provide any necessary assistance or resources. 8. Offer a helping hand. Pay attention to any specific needs or challenges your mother may have and offer your assistance. It could be helping her with technology, organizing her belongings, or providing emotional support. 9. Show affection. Express your love and affection for your mother through hugs, kisses, and kind words. Let her know that she is cherished and important to you. 10. Take care of yourself. Your happiness and well-being will also contribute to your mother's happiness. Take care of yourself physically and mentally, as it will reassure her that you are doing well and bring her peace of mind.